Okay, Jackie, it looks like GENIBOT also can come with accessories. Could you tell us about these extra accessories?
Okay, so you can purchase this accessory kit separately. Then this accessory help GENIBOT to do a lot of functions. I'm gonna show you when you open the box. There's some accessory kit. Yes. So you can guess this one is arms.
Right.
And then this one is another Lego plate.
Attachment.
Yes. And this one is pen holder. So you can guess these arms maybe we can use for
Soccer.
correct, playing a soccer game. And Lego, yes, you can create your own.
Yeah, customize the GENIBOT with Legos.
Yes,
Build it up.
exactly. And then this pen holder,
Is for drawing.
correct. So I'm gonna show you. You can take part. You can take this top part. This is one is mountain.
What is the elephant head for?
Ah, yes, good question though. So when you use Arduino sensor, there is the adapters in here. You can connect.
Yes.
You can connect the sensor and put it in here. So actually this one is accessories. Now I show you how to play the game. Like this. And it makes sounds. Yes.
Click it in.
Yes. And then this one is head, front. Now,
Right.
yes, you can use the ping pong ball to play a soccer game. Also, you can connect another Lego plate. And then you can use kids. Every kid love to play Lego, and they have Lego parts, so they can put it in here.
Build giant structures.
That's right. So last one is pen holder.
Yes.
So I'm gonna show you later how to use this pen holder to draw the figures. So you can put in here with pencil. Then you can draw the figures.
Okay.
Yeah. So this one is accessory kit. What do you think about it though?
Excellent accessories and really allows you to do more with GENIBOT than you would without them.
That's right. So if you want to use this accessory kit, I recommend you can download our application from Google Play Store or App Store. Then you can do a lot of activities with this accessory kit.
All right.
Okay. So I hope this accessory kit help our kids to play with GENIBOT.
Right. Not only for education, but also as a toy.
That's right. So this one is you can feel exciting, then they can learn coding and AI education
In a fun way.
Correct. Yes.
Okay, thank you, Jackie.
Thank you.